Before we begin, I want to share a quick drawing tip. Here is the cursor. To move the cursor, place your finger anywhere on the canvas, like this, and then drag and the cursor follows. My top tip is to place your finger away from the cursor while you draw, to better see your floor plan. Okay, let's get started. To draw walls, tap the Add tab. I'll tap Exterior Walls to start. First, place your finger away from the cursor and drag it to your starting point. Then, tap once where the wall starts, move the cursor, and tap for each corner. A drawing session continues until you connect with an existing wall, like this. Then you can choose a new starting point for the next wall. Now I'll tap Interior Walls. Again, I'll move the cursor, tap to start a wall, tap where it turns, and tap to end it. To draw a freestanding wall, move the cursor, tap to start, and tap to end it. Since we aren't ending it at a wall, tap the Select tool to stop drawing. Next, I'll use a divider line. These are invisible in Outputs and are used to draw balconies and railings, outside areas, and to place several zones in one room. Move the cursor, tap to start the line, and tap to end it. Use the Select tool and tap any wall end, and you will see these arrows. Press and drag the arrows to rotate it or change its size. You can also type an exact wall length here. With the Select tool still chosen, press the center of a wall to select it, move it. You can change the thickness, the paint or material on either side, and more. Finally, to remove a wall, select it and press here.